Learn English, vocabulary, English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, April 25th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. You play the guitar very well. You are a good? Correct. And some water means a little bit of water. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. You are a wonderful musician. You are a wonderful musician. Musician. You can play an instrument very well. Now we can make a flashcard for musician. Please make a card like this. Write musician up here in the top left corner. M-U-S-I-C-I-A-N. Down here, P-E-O 1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 42 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Remember, the J sounds like Y. Mu. Z. Shun. Musician. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is drinking some water. Jennifer is drinking some water. Some. She is drinking some water. Some has no meaning, but we say it very much. Now we can make a flashcard for some. We use some for positive. I drink some water every day. For the negative, we use any. I don't drink any water every day. We can use it for countable nouns too. Please make a card like this. Write some up here in the top left corner. S-O-M-E. Down here, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. Over here, the number 97 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Some. The same sound as up. Cup. Game over. You did very well today. Musician. Some water. Here are the level 2 words for today. Pool could be swimming, also a game, billiards. Jennifer is pretty. She is Cute. Very good. Number 3, to put your hand up when you ask a question. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side.